can set up your safety program in FTQ360, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So first I'm going to select my project, and in my project I've added a safety phase along with all the other phases here. And so when I select this phase, it is exclusively safety checklists. And now I pick the checklist that I want, so I'm going to do a daily site safety inspection, and it'll load for me. Now I can start my safety inspection. Now let's go over the setup. So I go to Setup, Project Setup Process, and I'm going to select the project. I'm going to add a safety phase here. I'm going to call it Safety, and maybe give it a sequence of 999 and save. And then once I have my safety folder created, I'm going to come to the phase checklist here on the process menu. And I want to select my safety checklist. I'm going to deselect all of these so I don't have that clutter. And then let's jump over here. Here's my safety checklist. And so let's say that I want that daily site safety inspection, and maybe the job site audit, and a violation report, and the toolbox. So I've got these 4 checklists added. And now when I come in and select that project and I go to safety, there's my 4 checklists, and I'm ready to conduct the inspections. And once my safety program is up and running, one of the great things about it is on the dashboards, I can flip between quality and safety. So now I can see what's going on with my safety inspections, who's conducting them, what's being conducted. Plus, with a phase dedicated to safety, I can go to the listing grids and type safety in the phase and bring up all of my safety inspections. And this really helped me stay on top of my safety program.